Hey, what's up YouTube family? So I'm here in the garage. It's a rainy, really rainy Monday night, and I went to the gym, wasn't really feeling it. So I came home and do what we normally do, kind of sit on the couch, and I was like, well, let me go check outside and see what's going on with Sasha. I don't know if you've been following my Instagram page lately, but I recently did the oil cooler housing gasket, oil filter housing gasket, and I'm actually pretty happy. It went pretty well. Those of you who know me personally know that I'm not like maybe the most mechanically inclined person, but I got it done. Upon inspection today, I noticed that there were no leaks. I'm shocked, honestly. So yeah, I did find a couple of other things though. I'll show you. Alright guys, so here is the first thing. Those of you who've seen this before know exactly what this is. This is a I just lost my train of thought here. This is a bushing for the front suspension. Look at that. Just completely crushed in half, which means I gotta order some new ones. But again, this is why it's so important that you do visual inspections of your car. This one just happened to be laying on my garage floor, so I knew exactly where it came from. So let me show you item number 2. Alright, so I'm just gonna take you around Sasha, see if we can actually get under the car, because that's where it is. Turn this off. So again guys, just doing like a regular like general inspection type of thing. See if we can get the camera over here. At the bottom of the tire there, I don't know if you can see that really well. Lighting is not all that good, but check that out. That is definite tire wear. And yeah, I'm gonna have to remove these ASAP, because you don't want to be caught out there with a blown tire in a lowered car with the lowered suspension. So yeah, my baby has been down for a couple of months, and now I'm gonna have to throw the stock wheels back on there until I get the money to get more tires. So that was item number 2. Now the last thing that I found was actually like, I can't remember what I found. Oh, so the last thing that I found was leaky like oil around the turbo, which the turbos, I guess I should say, because there's 2 until I get one, possibly. That's not really a huge deal. The car has over 100,000 miles on it now, and the turbos have probably 70,000 miles of somewhat aggressive driving from time to time, so I'm not really surprised. There's no smoke coming out of the exhaust yet, but that is something that I'll be looking to fix in the future. Big deal? Not really, partially because I'll get to upgrade the turbos. So yeah, let's go from there, and then yeah, so we'll get new turbos sometime later. Here's the reason why I'm not too upset about the wheels, not like the wheels having, I guess you call it steel or whatever inside, is because I have my OEM style 230s with Michelin Pilot sport tires on there, and they're ready to go. All I gotta do is bolt them on and get them ready. So that's why I'm not super bummed out about the 4Stars needing tires. But these are my favorite OEM wheels for sure for the 335. So I love these style 230s. I will never sell them. If anything, I'll get a set of 4 squared. But yeah, those will be going on soon.